Welcome to the DUCO Collaborative Robot Training course. 1. Software and firmware updates. On the About page, you can view the robot's current device series name, device model, and other information. When the robot system software and hardware firmware are upgraded. First, put the update package into the FAT3 to format USB stick and insert it into the USB port of the control cabinet. Then update with admin privileges. Click System Settings. Click the Updates tab. Take Software Updates as an example. Select Update. When the robot is updated with the system and the firmware version of the safety controller, it is necessary to ensure that the robot is in a power-off state. Put the robotic arm in a power-off state. Select the update package on the U-disk, click Confirm, and wait for the update to restart successfully. 2. Parameter Import and Export. The robot arm config file and robot_SN file can be imported and exported in the robot parameters. You can view the robot arm config file and robot_SN file in the computer. 3. Zero calibration. The robotic arm is in a state of off-enabled and uninterrupted power. In the blank space at the top of the System Settings page under Admin Permissions, click About 5 South, and the backdoor entrance will pop up. Enter password DUCO_bot_MFR. Pay attention to case to enter the back door. After successfully entering the System Settings back door, the zero calibration function will be added at the bottom of the System Settings page. The principle of robot zero calibration is to set the position of the joint to how many degrees. When a joint of the robotic arm disassembles and assembles the encoder, the joint angle needs to be calibrated to the angle before disassembly through the zero calibration function. After writing the calibration value, you need to restart and synchronize the control cabinet parameters to the end plate on the Robot Parameters page. For a log export, log information can be an important source for diagnosing problems, processing, and tracking historical data. After an error alarm message occurs when operating the robot, it should first be handled according to the content in the alarm pop-up window. When the problem cannot be solved, please take a photo of the alarm pop-up window and record it first. And use the FAT3 to format U-disk to export all logs in time, otherwise the logs will be overwritten. During the process of exporting the log, you need to wait patiently for Log Export Successful to appear at the top of the interface before exiting the U-disk. The exported history log file is a compressed package. Users can check the compressed package by themselves. You can open it normally and then contact the relevant technical support staff and provide log information to assist users in troubleshooting issues. 5. Engineering and program backup. In order to ensure the normal operation of on-site equipment, please make regular engineering backups during the use of the robot. After connecting the FAT3 to format U-disk to the USB interface of the control cabinet, export projects to USB flash drives in Project Management. Once there is a programming or configuration problem with the on-site robot, import intact project backups into recovery. Programs can also be imported and exported independently of the entire project file.